in the night. So cold rocket dreams, resilience in the fold. Hedge pressurizing, the charts are bold. DD bands rapping, stories untold. Riding with rocket scooter AI. Up we go, reaching for the sky. Every train home never dies. On the edge as the numbers fly. Checking the charts, midnight glory. Heartbeat thumping, another story. Green and red, flashing voices loud. Future kings spinning on their cloud. Riding with rocket scooter AI. Up we go, reaching for the sky. Every train home never dies. On the edge as the numbers fly. Treading roll, the pulse ascending, mind on fire, never ending. Trees of gold, endless fight. Push on through the endless night. Riding with rocket scooter AI. Up we go, reaching for the sky. Every train home never dies. On the edge as the numbers fly. Checking the charts, midnight glory. Heartbeat thumping, another story. Green and red, flashing voices loud. Future kings standing on their cloud. Checking the charts with their AI. Up we go, reaching for the sky. Every train home never dies. On the edge as the numbers fly. Checking the charts, tracking the charts. Midnight glory. Sanctuary in all its blending. Mind on fire, never ending. Dreams of gold, endless fight. Push on through the endless night. Push on through the endless night. Push on through the endless night.
Hey guys, what's going on? Hold on, my camera's not working. What? Let me try this real quick. I've been having issues with the power shutting on and off. There we go. Now we're back. Good morning, everybody. Hello, hello, hello. The breakers keep tripping in this room. I was fighting it all night. Welcome to the show, everybody. All right, hello, hello, hello. Hello, hello, hello. I'm so sorry, you guys, for being so late here. I was having trouble getting everything started back up. All right. Good morning, good morning, good morning, friends. Hit that like button. So sorry for the delays here. I don't even know what happened last night. I wasn't even Trading, nothing. Look at, so somebody fill me in really quick. I'm really trying to catch up here. What on earth? What was this all about? Iran bullshit, same old stuff. Alright, just a minute till market opens here. Alright. Now we calendar we get going on today. So earnings this afternoon, liquidity sweep, yeah. That's crazy, right? Right. Oh shoot, I don't even have my calcs done. Oh no, hold on. Sorry you guys, hold on. There's a minute left. Okay. 865. Okay. 865. And 7081. Okay, good. Good. Had a good time with Brad last night. Oh, good. Posted your first song. You missed it. Wait, it was last night? What did you post? All right, so let's get rolling. There's a slight gap down here, and let's see what resilience is out the door. Positive. We can probably get that opening trade there. Off the yellow line support. Ooh, it's been a little crazy. So this last night, I don't know what that was all about, but let's look at lower DD band and of course lower orange line. Is gonna be a nice long setup if I can get it. No trading on this one yet. Negative res. Ooh, negative res. S&P slightly positive. Let's chill on this. Let's not play the opening play. Let's wait for some liquidity pockets and hit those bad boys there. Ooh, I'm really dizzy today, guys. I feel really slow for some reason. You have any crack rock I can borrow? Seriously. Ugh. I had the breaker tripping all last night. I ran up and down the stairs like 15 times. Trying to get it, like unplug stuff, try it, unplug stuff, try it. Okay, cool. Liquidity pocket, good. Yeah, it's all somewhat bullish-ish at the start, but maybe Nasdaq with negative res is not so bullish. S&P half gap, probably resistance here. So it's probably a sell, maybe possible sell-off day today. Every single time Nasdaq long right here could be a bullish trade on good DD, but I'm not, I don't have DD ratio at 79. Okay. So pocket's a good long setup from here. But let's see what happens right down here. Right in these lucid accounts I got. Alright guys, welcome all y'all, sorry we're late. Arc fault breakers, yeah. Okay. So this is actually still somewhat positive, at least be a gap fill, maybe even a half gap here. Nasdaq's negative, so you have mixed signals. Nasdaq is pulling this way, S&P is pulling this way, so probably best case scenario, fill gap, fill half, and it could probably sell at half. We'll see what it looks like. Good morning, everybody. Sorry I didn't get to tell you guys all good morning. Flux capacitor went out. Yeah, just crazy. Try swapping some same size breakers. Now there's something that's unstable on the, and I don't know what it is. Some kind of grounding. I think it could be one of the power strips or something. Just and there's all the offices and bathrooms. I'm sorry, all the offices in the bathroom. I think is a different circuit. All the offices up here are on the same circuit. So, you know, dude, yesterday was like the most nightmarish day. I pulled my back out and run up and down the stairs, trying to get the breakers working. I'd run upstairs, unplug something, run downstairs, and 3 flights of stairs like 15 times. I swear, I was like frantic mode. Maybe an electrician will get here next week, I think. All right, cool. Ooh. I look tired. I know, right? Honestly, dude, I feel like I had a stroke. Something feels weird in my head. Knock on wood. Should have pickle help. Anyways, guys, welcome to the show. All right, get ready to get going here. Liquidity map on Nasdaq is for the mine. Make sure you're on the right day. You're on today. Do I have two different surge protectors? Daisy chain? No, I don't. No, they're all in different outlets. Okay, so negative res, oh, this is actually turning out to be pretty good on the selling pressure here. I wonder if we could take that. Probably opening short from somewhere. Now, again, these are those lucids with DLL, so I can't necessarily like take stupid trades from them. This is actually some sell-off pressure. I like the idea of this. Okay, so negative res, this is negative 50, so that's pretty good. Half gapping up here is some resistance if there ever was some. What do we got on this one? All right. S&P negative 10. So half gaps is sell-off for here. Pretty good. Negative 50, negative 10. Be pretty good. Some downward pressure after a minute or two. Nvidia bouncing at support. So Nvidia's got belong up support there. Gonna get the little initial pop here. Maybe 25.040. Google's bullish. We have earnings season start today, guys. We're not start today, but like big earnings are starting today. Yesterday and today. Tesla was yesterday. Intel's today, aftermarket. The big telling sign of the chip makers, you know, how they're going to fare. It's a big part of what's been making the market move lately. All right, again, no bearish setups yet. Maybe half gaps of resistance Nasdaq. S&P negative res, half gap resists there. 2040. Well, let's try it with one. I'll do one here and then one more at half. I'll try that. It's okay. He's okay. Oh, he's okay. Pickle's being a little rambunctious this morning. Where does this come from? All right. So popped on a little moderate short right here off of this. This is a Lucid account, so the Lucid funded. It does have a PLL of 2,700 bucks. Now y'all told me that yesterday. Let's see here. So essentially, this is the first time we see negative res in a while. If that res goes pause and we fill the gap, then I got a couple more accounts to stab at it. Bagel. Right, bud. All right, guys. Do I want to take some bigger risk here? I hate taking these B plus trades in here. What I do is I put a little bit here, and then here and here is where I can anticipate putting some more in. First time a little bit working with some negative res. So resilience is resistance at the gaps. So half gap, gap fill, and open can be resistance, which is why you see a little bit of that here. Just taking a small position just to see if things get a little crazy. Now it can still rally up. I'm not thinking super bearish today. Still that same mindset of moving higher. I just barely touched it in one account. Half gap with negative res. There's a second place. I'm not going to add to it here. I'll add to it at the close right there. Unless res flips positive, then we keep rallying and going. So bull long up is normally a bull trade at the pocket. This is also a bull trade at the pocket. If we fall to there, I might jump in again for a long for a scalp with something slightly bigger. Yeah, this would be like here to here and here to there. It's sort of like just playing the chop. And again, I've got like, you know, a handful of accounts. This is just one teaser position here. And really just gap fill on negative res is just playing off of there. Good morning, guys. Hit that like button, please. Please. Appreciate it. So we get rolling here. PMI 945. Yeah. So tiny here at half. Again, these are B plus setups. I never hit these things hard. Small at best. And these guys, I don't want to go above 3 contracts. So one here, the other 2 here, and then I'll play for resistance. Play off of there to there. The normal sort of like bull setup is off of here to move up, but it's the first time in a little bit we've had some negative res, so there could be a little bit of flushing there. Okay. Getting up to that area right over here. Half gap fill, and we are slight pause res on Nasdaq. So, I mean, S&P gap fill probably possible. Liquidity map is bullish from 47, bullish from 37. So this is a nice little pocket. We could probably get a quickie little through there. These negative resilience is looking pretty solid. Let's just play on that one again. Oh wait, these are trailing drawdown. I don't have 27 of loss. I have 2,000 of loss. Oh, because I went over and came back down. So the breach point on these is moved up. Oh, okay, I gotta be more careful with that. All right. This indicator is not on TradingView. This one you have to get it from the Rock Scooter platform, which is in the link description below the description. It's only in our platform. So 79 negative res, pretty close. Well, S&P's bouncing around there. Keeps trying to move a little higher. We've got what next Wednesday is Fed and all the like. I think they moved. Apple, was it Apple that's moved? Like one of them is moved to Wednesday. That's normally a Thursday earnings next week. Don't know which one is it because I know I remember. I don't ever remember 4 of these guys being on the same thing. It was always it was Amazon, right? Wasn't it Google, Microsoft, Amazon, and Meta? They weren't all 4 on the same day. One of them used to be on Thursday with Apple. I think it was Apple and Amazon were on Thursdays, right? One of the Thursday earnings got moved to Wednesday, and I don't know if that's a permanent thing. This is the first time I remember seeing that. Usually it's like 3 on the Wednesday and then 2 on the next day. PMI incoming. Why is NVIDIA so much later? That's just always how NVIDIA's been. NVIDIA's been sluggish and then like the earnings is always towards like closer to the end of the season. You know? NVIDIA's just always been that way. All right. Negative res, negative res. Let's see if we get anything good here. Very rare I'm short inside of a bull setup. With negative res, it's kind of possible we get a good day like that. Like this week, I'm just taking it easy. I'm playing really small, couple props. I'm not at all putting a lot of risk on the table. Until the Iran stuff is over, you guys know how I feel about that. Even last night, like when I'm watching the market move the way that it's moving, I feel so happy because I'm seeing like this. I'm like, man, imagine yesterday had I like bought the dip or something, like I was trading here and all of a sudden it just, you know what I mean? Imagine me still like trying to fight the challenge account. Once this Iran stuff is over, then I'll be happy. But imagine like last night, NASDAQ falling, what, 140 points? It's just too much. Like this is a time you shouldn't be putting a lot of risk on the table. There you go. We did get the gap fill just there on NASDAQ, negative res. Only a matter of time. How close am I on this one? Maybe we should trim it down to 1. Be cool. I forgot. I was up on this these Lucid accounts. It's the first 2 Lucid accounts I ever bought. That was up like 8,000 bucks on the first day, but then I didn't know there was DLL, so I betted too big of a position. I looked at the wrong thing, and so I took a little bit of heat on them. But they're just funded Lucid account. The first 2 I ever did went funded on the first day. So. I'm actually really enjoying my experience with the Lucid accounts, but I don't know if I'm going to get this out. Yeah. I still have the loss on that, loss limits on those. Let me see. Let me try this real quick. I need to get reset up for like multiple DOMs here. Let me do this. Oops. Oh wait, that's not there. Do this one. Bum, 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 bum. Okay, let's put this one in here. Do this one, let me rotate another one in. Let me get all my accounts here set up. All right, load up. Load up. Hate when it does this. You're in Tradevate and it's just black. Right, what you do? Tradevate, you're broken. What's going on? Why are you breaking? Let me log back out and log back in. Alright. Oh, Tradevate. We love you to death. The black screen of death. Oh my word. Okay, let me load it back up here. Let me try one more time. Install and relaunch. Okie dokie. Install and relaunch. Try it again. Gotta love when Tradevate just freezes up, turns black. Oi. Turn back on. Ooh. Nvidia ripping yet again. Ah, very nice. After the reset, now it's just black. Very cool. Now it's just white. Full white, full black. Let's try this one more time. Let's hit the task managers, turn it off there. What is going on, Tradevate? There we go. Try this one more time. Can we get the login screen? There we go. Always works. You kill the process, unplug it, plug it back in. There we go. There and there and there and there. All right, now we're in business here. Okay. 1, 2. Okay. 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 Let's do it again. All right, let me get this all set up here. Negative res still at the gap fill S&P hitting that, and there's a little resistance there. Let's see. Normal setup, bull long up, bull zone is always pretty much the play. With the negative resilience, I was thinking, you know, somewhere in here, we can get another wiggle wobble throughout that range. Why is 150K greater than the 50K on the funded seat? Here, let me bring this one on. Do this one. It is because, let me look at it real quick. So over here on the funded seat, let's take a look really quick. So on prop score on funded seat, you can go look at this. So funded seat actually came out with some pretty good ranked rankings on their accounts. They're like the first end of the day drawdown with no DLL on funded. So you go over here with same day payout. Sorry, with same day payout, like 1 day payouts, no DLL, end of the day drawdown. They're the first right now on our side, the only one that have this. So why is the 150 ranked slightly higher, you said, than the 100? Let's take a look at it. It's all 9.0. Let's see the difference here. There's a slightly higher ROI. There's a slightly higher drawdown per price, lower PPT, and then lower simplicity. The 50K, should that probably be ranking higher? They're almost neck and neck though. It's neat to see all of them doing fairly well. I think the easiest one is the 25K on the one step daily. Let's go to the overview. Take a look at this real quick. On the overview, I'm sorry, go back here. Right here. So the 150K is their highest ranked account. It's neck and neck. When you look at these, they're pretty much neck and neck. And usually what causes that slight difference, that's like which one's better or worse in the ranking, it's going to be that it's just ranked slightly higher. And one's probably like a 9.01 and one's like a 9.02 or something. The main difference is technically slightly harder but better ROI, and ROI is a big part of the score. So the higher the ROI usually kind of inches it ahead, even though it's like less simple and higher. So you see like some of these two are better, these two are slightly worse. Again, neck and neck. So when you see them all kind of ranked the same, it kind of tells you have your choice. They're all pretty good. When they're all equal, I usually get the most expensive one, as long as I'm not sacrificing time or, you know, dollar per drawdown, right? So here in this example, drawdown per price is all relatively the same. They're all pretty much the same drawdown. So you're going to get a good scale no matter which one you get. Just depends on how much drawdown you actually do want. Price per time in market, looks like the 150K does make you pay a little bit more, or for what you pay, you have to trade a little bit longer, you know, or basically price per time in market is the dollar you spend per time you are spent trading. The higher the PPT, the better the quickness is for dollar you spend. So in reality, if I were to look at these and they're neck and neck on review score, I would say that personally, the 50K has 3 things that are green and the 25K has 2 things that are green. Or one side, the 150. So they're almost neck and neck. It just depends on what matters to you. Better speed, better simplicity, or better ROI. And I'm talking slight. I'm like very slight, almost negligibly slight. So it's not really that big of a difference here. Oh wait, I've got the wrong DOM on here. Y'all even tell me that. That was the other one. This is account number 2 that I was trading. My bad. All right, same spot. So the first one, okay, so when I tell you guys my account rotation that I usually do, you just got to watch it in real time. So what I did was I had 2 Lucid accounts. And again, it's all part of kind of like trading props. It's such an easy trick is whenever you are like, in one of my Lucid accounts, I shorted here. And then I added to it here. And then at Lucid account number 2, I shorted here with the 2. So one of them hit loss, one of them's making money. So just spreading inside of the range when it is volatile, that's just the trick. This one's P&L, maybe hopefully offsets the cost and loss of the other one. So these are my first 2 Lucid accounts I ever got. They are like 150K pro accounts. And you guys told me to do the flex. So I grabbed a few flex evals just to check it out. Give Lucid some love on the stream. I'm gonna take any trades. Yeah. Look right here. Look right here, baby. Top of the screen. So I kind of have like a sort of half gap short right here, but I probably should take it easy on this one. Dig a boss to the wall and hold on to it like I don't even care. Should I wave my hands like I just don't care? Prop score is so cool. Thank you. Thank you. Prop score is making our entire community and Discord and everything just blow up and go viral. Dude, everybody's talking about it right now. I'd add a filter of 1 day pass accounts. I didn't see that when I was looking. Jose, right. So there's things we haven't thought of. We're in beta right now. So the goal is go to the Discord and there's a wish list channel. Go type that, because currently when our beta is wrapping up with all the things we're fixing, we're going to go off of the wish list so that you guys have like extra things that we haven't thought of. Like, can I sort by 1 day to pass accounts, same day payout accounts? Like, these are things we should do in the filters. We didn't think of everything, of course, out the door since we built this from scratch. So another thing is, like, a lot of these websites are like all AI vibe coded, like, you know, people just don't. We literally designed this from scratch. I sat there, I drew everything out, what I wanted the filters to look like. I drew it up and sketched mock-ups in Microsoft Paint. So we didn't think of everything. So if there's something you want, let us know. We'll put it in there. Green is good, baby. Fun and Seed seems pretty good. Yeah, I think Fun and Seed seems pretty good. All right. I won Lucid Pro right here on the gap fill. Res is kind of positive-ish. Positive-ish. Smart thing is to take some profit, but you know what? It's profit count. You can hold for a little bit longer. Anything res positive on S&P, which is likely to try to support there. And again, account rotation, right? So the count cost me like $200 or something. One of them hits DLL, one of them makes profit, and the payout's totally going to pay for what I put in. So if I were to take a payout, this is 40% consistency. This account is up like $3,500 or whatever. Whenever I take the payout, I pretty much, the $20, $200 I spent. I don't know how much was the account. Which of those accounts? Maybe 100 and something? Probably at least 10x my money in 3 days. Not bad. Now again, just having fun with the Lucid to give it a little love. I haven't traded them yet, but I think it's so cool that you can, on Lucid, you can pass, and a lot of the newer ones, you can do that as well. You can pass, immediately go fund it and get back to trading. I don't trade enough props to know this, so that's kind of great when I figured that out. Someone told me on stream, you can take that Lucid account and go fund it and trade it now. I was like, oh, really? You can. All right, smart thing is to lock that in. Let's lock it in, $2,000. Perfect. Done and done. What's prop is best if you suck at trading? Which part do you suck at? Do you have a hard time trading like lengthy periods of time where you fuck it up, or do you have a hard time with hitting trailing drawdown limits or drawdown limits? If you suck at trading, the best one you should do is something that is the easiest rule set. That might be slightly more expensive, but an easier rule set. Anything static is good, or anything end of the day drawdown with no trailing. End of the day drawdown, no trailing drawdown. And no DLL, no consistency unfunded. So you're talking the new funded seat is quick payout, no DLL, which makes the funded super, super, super simple. Or my funded futures or funded X rapids. So both of those are kind of the same thing. Yep. An A+ setups today. Right here is an A+ setup to the long side. So basically, this morning I shorted, hit DLL, popped this, made the profit coming down. One of them is, so the kind of the thing is when I tell you guys, right, account rotation, you guys just witnessed it. Say that, I don't know how much these Lucid Pro, I wish there was a site that can tell me how much I spent on these Lucid Pros. Oh wait, there is. There is. I'm gonna check it out really quick. Lucid, how much did I pay for these things? 150K. So I paid $22 on these guys. So 400 bucks so far. And then of course, whenever you're trading props, rotating your accounts is always the best way when markets are volatile. Dude, this trick has made me, my payouts are over $1 million in the first year I ever touched props in my entire life. I probably paid in about 200, 250, somewhere in there, and pulled in probably like 1.2 at the end of all of this in 1 year. So the idea was resilience was negative, and I said we're probably going to fill the gap or half gap and turn out. As soon as we broke to the high, I shorted one. We broke the half gap, I shorted again. I've got 3 options to short from in account number 1. Right when account number 1 was about to hit daily loss limit, I popped up at account number 2. Same position size, short and short with 2. Do you understand this? So props are not about trading well. It's about trading well and beating the system. All right. an ROI game. In a real account, I would just I would short here, short here, short here, short, and just build a position the whole way up. And these props, my max position on these Lucid Pros is going to be about 3. So I shorted. I knew that's going to hit one of these and maybe turn around, but it's volatile, right? VIX above triple B's can hit any one of them. So the idea is position one of them there, position another one there, and then this one, if this one busts, it only costs me 200 bucks. This one is up 4G profit. So when you think about it, I mean, I paid 400 bucks for all of these accounts, 440, and I'm up 4G in that account. So when you rotate your accounts, that's just an easy 10x, right? And you can scale this with multiple accounts at the same time. Like if you have 10 accounts, you can do 2 accounts here, 3 accounts there, or 5 accounts there, 5 accounts there, whatever. I just say when you know the higher the volatility is, the more you spread out all of your accounts and just try to make profit in at least 1 or 2 of them rather than all of them. When markets aren't volatile and it's like a nice bull setup when things are chill and you've got like a liquidity pocket, I've been known to take, if I have 10 accounts, leave 2 on the sidelines, trade with 3 of them there and 5 of them there, and leave 2 blank. So I buy with 3, buy with 5, just at the 2 bull pivots I've got, and take the bigger risk to make something on most of them. Account rotation is literally the secret to beating props. I teach in my boot camp. Like ROI game. My first two Lucid accounts that I ever purchased are going to 10x my money in 3 days, 4 days. Crazy, right? Today was lost. Yesterday was lost day, but because I didn't know there was DLL. Now I know. Just pass your eval. Let's go. Why not long here? No, it is a good long setup. There's no reason not to long here. That's why I closed my short out. So short was here, gap filled down to bull. Bull is a potential long. The only reason I'm not taking long, same reason I'm not trading the challenge account until like way after earnings and Iran is over. Because yesterday, right? Did y'all see what yesterday looked like? Look at this crap right here. Right? I told you, like I've mentioned this in several tweets, is that we are like one stray bullet, one hair trigger, one something away from something like that. You know what I'm saying? Like it's just like the news is so sensitive to here. What I am doing is I'm lining up to the potential and only that. And if I know if I hold a small bull trade, the potential of the news is to be bad rather than good. Good news I don't think is going to keep creating sparked rallies, but bad news is going to create huge liquidation events. So what I do is I wait, right? When news is heavy, I wait. It's the least sexy thing in the world, but it's the most profitable thing in the world. Sure, you can take a scalp, get your trade with negative res, exit there. But also, the minute some news happens, it does this, right? And then you're like, okay, and then I can get in on a better trade to the long side, a big up. So when we have like news sensitivity, I usually wait. I'm gonna let somebody's gonna tweet something at some point today, and I'm gonna get a huge dip to play on. Until then, if you do want to risk something, keeping it light and small, what I normally do is I'll just throw it every bull pivot every single time and let it ride. Something small that I don't care if it blows up, like a prop account. So at this point in time, it's not a structure thing. It's this kind of thing. You know, I told you guys last week how many times have I been just making bank, and then some tweet or some bullshit knocked out a week of work that I had to spend a week to struggle to get back. In this environment, normally, other than if I wasn't streaming, this is the time that you take like 6 weeks off and go on vacation. Really is. This is like the time that scalping bull plays in the middle of, you know, because everything's like a ticking time bomb right now. Brad got rolled on some accounts with that. I bet you everybody did, man. Under normal market conditions, I'm in contracts or on a 25K accounts, your first order and second DC order, 1,000 end of the day drawdown. So you're talking, so one contract's $800 on 40. So that's basically too much. If you want a DCA, you're going to be talking, how many trades do you want to do per day? If you do 2, it's $500 per day on 40. So you're talking like 1 micro and 2 micros, like 3 micros, is going to be, no, actually you can do more than 3, maybe, hold on. So 1 mini is going to take you to about 800 every 40. So if you're going to do 5 micros, you're playing roughly $400, give you 2 trades. So 5 to 6, right? So if I was a DCA, I would be doing 2 and 4. For a medium or heavier position, I'd be doing 1 to 3 for a lighter position, or sorry, 1 to 2 in a lighter position. So no more than 6. I would say your heavy position 6, your medium position 4, and your small position 2 micros on that. It gives you 2 trades, 2 trades for MLL, which is what I like to do, 2 trades per day. Well, if you want to give yourself 2 trades a day, just 2 trades total. Usually with MLL, I give myself 2 days to fail in, 3 days to fail, 2 trades per day, so 6 total. But on those smaller accounts, they're really cheap. Usually can hit them pretty heavy, but that's about the limit I would do. Can I explain the TPT firm promotion? Hold up. I feel a lot better all of a sudden. I felt really groggy this morning. Once I get that crack rock in me, man, I get going. By crack rock, I mean that Vietnamese coffee. I don't drink coffee enough. It takes just a little bit to get me going. Y'all see yesterday these kids trying to challenge me to a paper trading competition? What the heck is wrong with these people? Did anybody trade in this industry anymore? I don't even understand. I made a tweet so I'm like, yeah, like let me challenge Elon Musk to fly out to my house and who's the best 5-cent lemonade stand in his front yard. Look, 5 trading days is the only thing. Anybody that believes 5 trading days is anything, that's how you just play a luck game. Nobody out there is gonna put 100 grand or 500 grand or $1 million, except for me, maybe a couple other people. Showcase a month of skills. All they do is blow up real accounts. That's why these kids trade props. Come at me with like, why don't you come over and let's have a paper trading battle? I'm like, I already won it last year. I already beat you last year in the same thing. 5 days, same shit. I'm gonna waste my time with that. Big boys don't trade that shit. These people out there wanna come in, daddy. Listen. I'm about to be, you know, like I'm in like just such a, I mean, I'm honored that I get the interest. I mean, because our channel's going parabolic, it's cool that we get the visibility, but it's like the visibility is a bunch of prop trading salesmen. That's all that they're props. And we're bigger than all of them. Like our prop sales are bigger than all these guys too. Our YouTube channel is growing bigger, but they don't know Roxy is such a mass community. One of the biggest prop affiliates on the planet. And we don't even, that's not even our main gig. That's a side gig. And we're still #1 there. At the end of the day, like, you know, I'm like, I think it's comical. I take time out of my day to go paper trade against some knuckleheads. Ain't my bag there. I already did it last year and won first place, as a matter of fact. So, you know, I was already handed a victory check from the loser. So, you know, waste my time with that again. $10,000. I wouldn't lift a finger for 5 minutes for $10,000. Against Elon, I probably went. Yeah. I'm just saying, if anyone wants to challenge me, it's 100K minimum. Like, people realize, like, for me to come out of my treehouse, come play, get me out of the treehouse, I take off my cowboy hat, the sticks that I'm pretending are swords, I'm gonna come down, I'm gonna play in the yard. It's 100K minimum. That's minimum. That's still small. I mean, how many times I've funded a 100K trading account for some guru not to show up? You can just keep turning that to $1 million left and right. I mean, the fucking Ferrari of the month club at this point. Like, goofy people. You want a real trading challenge? A month minimum. Show some skills. We ain't talking about some YOLO paper contest. Anybody gonna do that? Only people fall for that are like 22-year-olds sitting there, you know, at McDonald's hoping day trading is gonna get them out of their horrible life. And everybody with a nice car, you think they're great at trading. These aren't the people like you want to trade? We play the real stakes money, not baby money. At this place, I'm go for whatever. I trade at home though, right? I trade with my setup, my computers, my stream. Fastest growing stream on the planet. There's no way I'm not gonna wake up at 9:30, push the play button every morning. To fly out and paper trade against some paper trader ain't my thing. Or sim trader, whatever. Or prop trader, I'm paper. Prop trader, sim trader, it's all the same stuff. Like real trading, I'm cool with that. I'm 100%. I'll put $1 million in an account and show everybody. Let's trade this for a year. Let's trade this for 6 months. I'll take a contest like that. You know, prop kids trying to bait me to a paper trading contest. Come on. I won like 2 of them last year. Roxy got second place in the Trade5 Grand Cup last year. That's 3. I got top 5 in the Robins when I did it. That's 4. I don't know, man. I kind of get bored steamrolling these gurus left and right. I need a challenge. Everybody out there, I'd love to take the challenge. And all right, show me your account. All these people, nobody, here's a picture of an account. Funded it, let's go. I'm all for it. And I'll race for pinks, which means whoever gets the highest account at the end of the month gets the loser's account as the prize. If I run it up to 500, you run up to 400, and I win, I get you 400. I'll put a fucking contract to that. I got my lawyer ready to draft that up in a heartbeat. Third time's a charm, fourth time's a charm. How many contests do I gotta win? People start barking up the big treehouse. Come on over. Come to my town. What if they blow the account? Well, then you don't get a prize, I guess, right? But then they blow the account. But I'm all for that, dude. I will play the highest stakes shit when it comes to trading. I have no fear to come out there. I think it's fun. I would waste $500,000 just to show somebody to be the laughing stock that they are for a month of trading. I would clearly spend $500,000 just to laugh at somebody. I've done pettier shit with my money. I really have. I'm 100%. I will pay for that in a heartbeat. Send it on over. As a matter of fact, let me text my lawyer right now. Draft up I feel like it's gonna happen a lot, so I'm gonna get my lawyer to draft up a trading competition contract with these terms. Hold on, let me send him a message. I'm serious. I'd love to do that. This is gonna be real stakes, right? Hold on. Hey, can you give me a call at 2 p to discuss contract I need to be made for trading competitions? Cool. Then. All right. Post up the contract. And I'll even make it like an open Google Doc so anybody can access it. Just sign up. Let's go. I'll pre-sign it. I'll load it up to Google Docs. All you gotta do is print it out, sign it, send it back, and we're on. Name your stakes. I'll leave it as a blank fucking check up at the top. You name your price. You want to go for $1 million? You want to go for 5? Sign me up. And I'll leave it as a blank check. You can go in there and write whatever you want. As long as you pony up, I'm in. That sounds good to me. I'm 100% excited. That'll be fun. Jokes when you hit the margin call and the account. That's funny. But I'm saying like, I mean, it's just weird that like the offer is not, let's see who the better trader is over the next couple of months. It's like, let's do a 5-day paper trading contest. 150K account. I was like, oh my God. Prop trading? Prop trading? Yeah. No. Yeah. Let's see the better, who's better fucking hopscotch while we're at it. Who draws the best on the sidewalk with chalk? Get the fuck out of here. Kids and their bullshit. Whose mom makes the best Halloween costumes? Oh my God. These fucking idiots couldn't trade a bottle of water to a fucking guy on fucking fire. I would steamroll them so bad. Waste my time with this. Let's put some money on it. TPT promotion. Oh, what is going on with TPT? Farida, help! 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 What's going on with TPT today? What do we got at TPT? I was looking that up a second ago. But I just jest. I'm just poking fun. But seriously though, like I ain't gonna waste my time for paper trading bullshit. Let's go for realsies. TPT 40% off, no activation fees, same thing. I don't think anything's changed. ICT kids are a funny clique. They're all some goofy boys, I tell you. Literally, I would spend $500,000. I put whatever price in there to go. Y'all see me trade real money for like 10 years. At Matt, hello. Oh. So today, we're giving away 4 funded seat, 1-step 25K sprint accounts. Oh my God, funded seat is like dousing us with blessings left and right. That sounds pretty cool. Current deal is 60% off all accounts. First purchase, 50% after that. So first purchase, 60% off, 50% off all that. Score Better deal than on their website that only gives 50%. By the way, the score code exclusively gets a better deal on the website right now, 60% off instead of 50. Remember, funded seats like the new kid on town. Every big influencer started talking about it a couple weeks back. We jumped in, we threw them in a prop score. Turns out they came in at a 9.0. They're actually same day payout with no DLL unfunded, which again is when the only end of the day drawdown with no DLL and 1 day payout unfunded. It's like TPT but not trailing. Which turns out to be pretty goated. And so we immediately were like, we want to help you guys get some visibility on this. Pretty good. It ranks pretty good on prop score. They came in at like a 5 or 6.0. We wouldn't be talking about it too much. But I'm excited. Every time something new and hot, the whole point of prop score is to find these hidden gems and show you guys, right? Something new and cool comes out, then we're like, okay, this is what we found. Any giveaway today, gorgeous Matt? I'm giving away my charm. Oh, stop. No, I'm just kidding. Yeah, we've got 4 funded seat giveaways for today. Hold on, I got to prep for a paper trading competition. Hold on, let me look at the terms here. 1 prop account, trade the best in 5 days. Got to fly out for that. Oh my God. Got to get a hotel room and everything for a paper trade. Who the best paper trader is in the world? Let's go. I got some real things I got to do, guys. Give me a minute. Hold on. I got to go win a contest a second time in a year. Paper trading contest with no real prize. Interrupt my prop score work day. How many times I got to go win the same damn paper trading contest? I don't understand. Like I said, I wouldn't lift my left ass cheek to fart for $10,000. We'll give away a lot more funded seat accounts today on the other streams and Discord. Woo! They're dousing us with blessings today. TPT doesn't have any special discount that I can see. It looks like we're just running 40% off unless there's something not updated on our sheet, but looks pretty much same old 40%. TPT's goated, man. I love TPT. One of my favorite firms I've ever touched has been TPT. Massive payouts with those guys, and it's so clean and easy. The only downside to TPT is that it's trailing drawdown that first day you're funded, but once you get the buffer, you're good. But also, what I don't like is that TPT updates like at midnight or whatever. My right ass cheek, that's a $5,000 ass cheek. I'll lift that one for a little bit less because I'm right-handed. Why I'm strong today? Yeah, pretty much. So my trade was shorting from here back to open, so I'm good. But no, I'm just poking fun. You know, I'm not making fun of anybody. I don't start beef with people. But if people want to tell me they want to trade a trading challenge, I mean, we're high stakes rollers here. We're not prop trading wannabes. Like people have not seen a real trader in so long. They forget there's some of us out there showing off the real accounts. Like Rips, Brian, you know, Dakota. There's a bunch of us that do trade real accounts. A lot of people that don't. A lot of people trade a real account for a month or so, and then, you know, you ask them, you trade a month account. They're like, yeah, here, look, I trade a real account. And you're like, April of 2023, huh? HBNL, very cool. That was like 3 years ago. This is what a lot of it's like, you know, just proof you had a real account at one point and did okay at 1 month. I'm sure that sells a lot of subs or whatever, Discord memberships and prop accounts, whatever. But like day-to-day live trading, I'm very interested in, you know, high stakes betting. Like, you know what it's like to lose $2 million in a week just because you took a short bet in the middle of a big ass rally, but would like to have enough money to do that. Like, to me, it's not important unless there's some high stakes with it. I get the thrill. It's like race car driving, you know. I get the thrill of the high speed chase. I really do. Even big losses thrilling. Big wins are thrilling. Like, I would love to have like some, let's like bring trading back to the trading space. You know what I'm saying? I think that like we need to make trading again make trading awesome again. Make trading awesome today. I'm gonna Matat hat. You want a Matat hat? Because that's really Matt with the T in the middle. Make awesome trading today. Make some Matt hats. Better than MAGA, clearly. We're gonna bring the dollars back to trading. We're gonna bring the dollar sign back to trading. We're gonna bring US dollars back to trading. We're gonna get rid of the pink, the green, the blue and the purple tiny monopoly bills, and we're gonna bring the dollars back to trading. Need to be a green hat. Green hat with Mata on the top would be great. Matat, let's run it. Matat hat. Yo, what's up? Hey man, I got $100,000 in an account. Let's roll. 30 days. Let's run it. Who's, oh, look at that. Who's the biggest? I don't know. Rockseer has 100,000 subs. Our Discord has 10,000 people. Our Twitter account, 30-something thousand. We're bigger. We're bigger. We're bigger. Yeah, YouTube's like one of 20 things. Appreciate the dono. $100,000. I'll roll. Let's do 5. Real money. Views on YouTube. Are we like 16-year-old girls on TikTok? Who has more followers, more views? Bigger Discord, bigger community, bigger Rocket Place, bigger Rocket Scooter. Biggest P&L for this year, last year, and the last 10 years. Biggest net worth. I don't know. Biggest peepee. I love you, Pat. You know I do. I'm just fucking with you, bro. But I don't fly out, man. I don't fly out for 5 days. Got a business to run. Got life to do. Got a kiddo. You know I love you, bro. But seriously, we're just having fun here. But really, I'll trade from home. I don't leave. I got stuff to do. I can't leave. I got a kiddo. I got life. Trade 30 days, real account, real money. Let's go. That's all I do. I love it. What the hell is CRC? What does that even mean? Thanks for the donation of... Is that like a Bitcoin or something? Yeah, I don't fly out, man, for like 3-4 days here and there for stuff. I trade online, my computer setup, everything here. I don't even what is a CRC? What is this? CRC. I mean, man, I'd love to, bro. I just don't paper trade. You know what I'm saying? Like, I'll do $500,000 for 30 days. Let's do it 60, make it exciting. $500,000 start, 60-day run. I'm cool with that. Race for pinks. Winner gets the loser's account. I'm absolutely cool with that. I just don't do like small prop account, you know. I can't leave. I can't leave for 5 days. I know the engagement trick. It's kind of nice to cross-pollinate a little bit. I get it. I know the game. Pretty good marketing team myself, but we don't do the cross-pollination game. So you did online. I'll stream it. I'm totally cool with that. I'll do an average. I'll wire in 250 just in the middle. I'll do that today. As a matter of fact, let me do that right now. Let me make I wonder if I can make a second Ninja Trader account, one from scratch. Ninja Trader. I'll just put 250. If you need more, I'll put more in. Hold on. New account. Open account. Okay. But no, seriously though, I love competitions. We're just having fun here, but I do love contests. I love it. But it's like, you know, five days is like gambling. It's like luck. 5 days is 100% luck. You know what I'm saying? Like, you can't learn anything in 5 days. It's just an exhibition or whatever. But I mean, it's like, who gets a lucky swing for a day or two, you know? 30, 60 days, I think is worth time. I want people to see something really good. I think it's good. 500K, we can only trade 5 micros? Yeah, 100%. I mean, I just like, you know, if you want to see who has the biggest 5 cent lemonade stand, I'll concede to that. You can carry that crown all you want. I'm not into I'm not into these 5-day contests. I won the last one, and I thought it was a complete waste of time. It was so easy to win. I won it in like 3 trades, you know. I mean, some of it's luck, you know. You get the lucky swing, you win, but there were also 40,000 or 20,000 or 10,000, I don't know how many other people trying to YOLO that thing too, and I guess I just out-YOLO'd the YOLO. But I did give the prize money away to you guys. It was a small prize. 10K, I bought like, what was it, 500 My Funded Futures accounts with it. I called Luke, I was like, hey, how many My Funded Futures accounts did you give me for 10 grand? I think it was like, wasn't it like 500? And I just gave the whole thing away. Sent the check to them. Is that $100? Aw, nah, it looks big though. What's so funny is that like in the history of my trading, people always barking at my tree because that's what they want to size up, you know. Y'all never see me like barking at anyone else's tree. I don't feel like I need to size up to anybody. People go up to Mike Tyson, they want to fight against him because they know that's where they can get their visibility. I like it. I think it's fun and friendly. I have a good time with it. I'm the most competitive guy you're ever gonna meet though. But, you know, Floyd Mayweather ain't gonna come down and fight you for $500. You know, you can put a couple million up there to get him to come out and put some gloves on. Costa Rican Bitcoin. What was this? Is that what it was? CRE? CRC? Costa Rican colon? I don't understand why am I getting paid in Costa Rican colons? I'm very confused. I appreciate the $60 donation. Thank you very much for it. Colones? Colones, okay. Can you make sure next time you donate it in I really would like somebody to donate to the next stream in freaking Iranian rials. You know what I'm saying? Let's stick to the theme of this market. I only accept Iranian currency at this point. So you can use it to get us to pet a sloth in a park at San Jose. I've never been to Costa Rica, although my uncle was a semi-pro surfer and he used to live there for a very long time. And he used to always just, it was like his happiest place, happy place. Yeah. Like I said, I know the game. Like here, you know, let me give you guys a formula. Ready? Here's a formula. Ready for this? Have a stream. Someone else has a stream. Someone else has a stream. Each stream has viewers. This stream has viewers, and this stream has viewers. When the actual game, like I said, I have an A-tier marketing team. I understand how this works. It's called colony cross-pollination, community cross-pollination. This is a marketing trick. Hey, person community B, come over on my show, and then you bring your viewers over there, and then some of those viewers become your viewers. You repeat this game 8, 10, 15, 20, 30 times. You slowly grow. You leech off the bottom of the barrel of the people that see shit like fancy cars, fancy whatever, and they think that's where they want to be. And you're just richer than the next guy. You'll attract people. It's like, you know, the TikTokers invented this trick. You know, it's like, here's my watch, here's my car, here's my whatever. And they have millions of followers. The TJR guy had the same trick. Just show off expensive stuff and then people are going to follow you. You just get as much visibility. It's visibility, chick. I respect the hustle. I'm just smart enough to know what it is. And, you know, you're always going to scrape the bottom of the barrel. And there's going to be people that think that that's cool. And you just keep your numbers up when they're down. But I appreciate the nod. It's just a testament to how much I'm getting noticed as being one of the biggest, fastest growing things out there. It's kind of nice that people now want to cross-pollinate with our massive community. It's pretty cool. The recognition means a lot. I take that as a attaboy. Well, you've been working pretty hard at it. Can I get you to challenge Max? Oh, I'm scared of Max. Max too good. Never do it. No, like I have no reason to go appear on like someone else's stream, you know, to leave with all that I do. I haven't even taken a vacation for myself, much less go, you know, travel to collaborate or go to events and stuff. I'm just too busy. I would just, somebody said I was trying. No, Max is a buddy. Max and I are real close. I'm just kidding around. He's a good options trader. I don't think he trades futures. What, rip some Pokemon? Matt says rip some Pokemon cards on stream so the college kids will watch. Pokemon cards? God, when Pokemon cards came out, I was too old for them 20 years ago. Pokemon cards a thing now? Is that what the adults are doing? Pokemon cards? Is it like my son? My son just turned. You know, my son just turned 8. We had a Pokemon card themed birthday party. Very true story. And I was like, I need to buy him some Pokemon cards. So I went to Target the week of, and I'm like, you guys sell Pokemon cards? And they're like, you serious? I'm like, yeah, I'm fucking serious. It's Target. You got some Pokemon cards for my 8-year-old? And they're like, you know, they sell out like the minute they hit the shelves. I'm like, they do? Yeah, like you got, like there's a line that forms the day that the truck unloads them, and you can buy 2 per person. So I was like, no, I did. It was like two Saturdays ago. So I ordered some Pokemon cards on Amazon. It was like a box set, and I swear it was like 3 times as expensive as the MSRP. I didn't know. I never even touched these things, but somebody said, somebody said get some Pokemon cards. I had to buy on Amazon. It was like 3 times the cost. They must be popular again. But I mean, that's cool. I mean, you know, I guess it's a collector's item these days. Do I avoid range days like today? I kind of do. But seriously though, my son had a Charizard t-shirt on. All the other elementary school kids that were there were like, I mean, it was so cute. Like every single gift was literally some kind of Pokemon card, you know, thing. We had a blast. We even had a cake that was a Pokeball is what they call it. It's a ball that you throw with Pokemon in it or something. Let me see if I can find a picture for it. It's really cute. I didn't know anything about it. I'm not kidding. Here. Oh no, and oh, here it is right here. Pokeball, and there's the cake. It was awesome. It was like it was there it is. There's the number 8. The number 8's right there. Big old 8 years old. Big number 8. Pikachu. We had a good time. We drank sodas. We dental floss danced. We talked about Minecraft and Pokeballs. We had a good time. It's a pretty nice cake, right? I know absolutely zero about Pokemon, like zero. I think I was in college when it came out. I don't trade for 5 days. I'll trade for 30 days. 30 days. 30 days. 5 days. 5 days is not a real trade competition. 30 days, real money. It's in. 30 days minimum, real account. I don't do some YOLO coin flip bullshit. They're expensive. How do you have to pay for them? Yeah, I know. Literally, I paid like $400 or something for like a box of cards that were like $150 normal. Winning Warbucks tournament? What the hell's a Warbucks tournament? I never heard of that. Warbucks tournament. What is that? What the hell is Warbucks? I've never heard of it. You're mistaken. Anybody ever heard of Warbucks? What is that? Is that like Pokemon? No, I'm serious. I've never heard of it. Oh, this guy owns a prop firm? This guy owns a prop firm? That one, it's a prop firm? Oh geez. All these people and their props, man. I can't even. Prop firm. Oh my god. Does anybody trade anymore? Hold on, I'll be back. Prop firms. Maybe I should open a prop firm. That'd be great. Do we have like a prop firm? So owning a prop firm is like the new hot thing, I guess. And prop firms are cool. I'm just saying like owning one though. That's kind of next level. I don't think I would ever own a prop firm. I did make like 780,000 real dollars in like 3 months. Just scooping around 100K account. That was kind of fun. I tend to spend my time like focusing on that, I guess. Is it 5 days? Because by day 6, the story starts to fall apart. Like, I don't understand. Is there a magic number about? Is there a magic thing about 5 days? I don't understand. Is that the most you'll show? Is that the most? Like 5 days is the most you'll show? That's as far as you'll let. That's as transparent as you'll be, huh? Oh geez. 5 days is it? 5 days. That's it. 5 days. You can show somebody. You can show anybody trading history. 10 days, 30 days, a year. I'll take an entry fee. You show me a 1099 that shows you've been profitable any year ever in your entire life. I'll fly out there. Of at least $1 million profits of real trading. If you made $1 million in a year on 1099, you send it over. I'll fly out there. Like I said, challenging Elon to eliminate sand contest here. I'll move for some big monies. $500,000 ain't enough to. I'll trade real money. Show me you got it. Show me. I'll trade real money. I'm gonna do the 5-day prop trading. So what's 5 days have to do? Look, I'll give you $100,000 if you got a 1099 that's bigger than any one of mine on any single trading year. I'll just hand you money if you send me a 1099. That's the best. That's the most expensive email I ever got in my life. Oh, now you pissed off the mods, dude. I'll also do 100 grand if you got a 1099 and shows you made $1 million 1 year trading ever. I'll give you $100,000 for that. I'll just cut you a check for that. I'll buy it from you. I'll frame it and put it on my wall. These people, why people want to size up? I don't understand. You know, I don't go try to size up to anybody, but it's cool. I'm cool with some contests, some competition. I don't waste my time for 5 days of paper trading. Come on now. I already did it last year. I beat 20,000 people. I did it last year. I got a rinky dink, you know, 10K prize. Kind of nice. I mean, you know, gave it away to you guys. Y'all had some fun with it. I mean, Pat, I love you, bro. I ain't gonna show up for paper trading contest, dude. Don't do that. Or prop trading contest. You want to show people you're good at trading? I think that any trader should show off at least 6 months, 3 months, or even 1 month minimum for contests. I think that's important. You want to show how good you are over time. And the reason I want something that's like 30 days or longer, because I really want somebody to not call bullshit when you win. Here's the thing. Earlier, you know, it's like when I won that last contest, like, oh, you just YOLO'd. That was the comment. Oh, you just YOLO'd it. Well, there you go. The same excuse will be had when I win this one. You just YOLO'd it. See, you want to do something 30 days so the community can see that you're not really YOLOing it. See the real stats. That's what I'm saying. I won the last one, then everyone's like, oh, you just YOLO'd it. It's only 5 days, blah, blah. Yeah, I know, right? Terrible design. So 5 days, horrible design. It's terrible from the start. Somebody says he's losing followers. Y'all be nice to him. He's doing his best. Bless his heart. He's trying. Let him do his thing, you know. It's cool. I appreciate the recognition. People come over here and wanna talk to me. That's good. I got no problem with anybody. Hold on. Elon just texted me back. Sure, bro. We'll see who has the best lemonade stand. I'll come out there. We'll sell lemonade for a day. I mean, you know, come on. Let's do something that's worth both our time. Somebody said I'm too nice. I'm not saying this to be mean, but I'm sure what I made last quarter is more made in a physical trading account than probably everybody but like 3 people on YouTube that I can name that are pretty good. And they've made like in their entire trading career. It's not even a close comparison. And like, for me, I think everyone here is all about visibility for prop sales and all that stuff. I get it. But I'm not part of the game of who's the biggest prop trader, who's the biggest prop sales kind of thing. I'm in the game of I just trade well, teach you guys trading real well. I crush it. I crush the real account. I'll let you guys watch it. Nobody out there will do that. Y'all be nice. Now, what the hell am I going to go spend $117 at the Puerto Rican colons on this morning? Oh, I know. 4 funded seed accounts. Let's do it. Let's hit it up. Here we go. Here we go. Everybody, type in 5 days in chat. No, it's not no DLL today. It's 5 days. 5 days in chat. Type it up. I made an offer for $100,000 to send me a 1099 that shows that there's $1 million ever made in a single trading year. $100,000 for free to send an email for $1 million P&L in 1 year. Literally, I'll take it. I will gladly pay for it. And I will take another $100 and go to Hobby Lobby and buy a frame for it and put that bad boy right up to the right of my 100K sub on YouTube. We'll frame it so the whole world can see. That's true testament. You know the real judge of trading contests is Uncle fucking Sam. So let's go. Send me that 1099. Let's go. All right, 5 days. Type it in. We're gonna give away 4 funded seat 25K sprint accounts. Type it in. Really, I should just put like a contract in a Google Doc. This is like, you know, open forum. You want it like trading contests? Here's the terms. I don't know, people. Come to my house for 5 days for prop trading. Sounds like a person asking a guy with no legs in a wheelchair, we're gonna have a jumping competition. I'm gonna design it. And you're like, but I've got no legs and this is not. And you're like, yeah, well, you're scared. You know. Let's do 5 days, guys, in chat. 5 days. Important. Type it in. These funded seed accounts, because a funded seed's like the newest hot one on like the sort of social media rounds right now. And the reason, because they came out with a same-day payout account, 1 day payout with no DLL on funded, which is pretty big because most of these same-day payouts have DLL on funded, or they're going to have trailing drawdown with no DLL. It's usually one or the other. And this is the first time that we've seen an account like that sort of mode with neither. So the thing is that, like, you know, firms like this, you never know if that account like is going to last for a while. You know, sometimes the firms come out with something really cool and then they stick around and then they yank them and put out something different. So it's always good to find them when they, you know what I'm saying? Like, before firms change their rules or change their plans, and you always, man, I wish I would have got in when it was good. Everyone wishes they would have got in on Legacy Funded Next when it was good, when it was uncapped. I milked it so hard when it was there. And then they changed the rules, and then people were like, oh man, they changed the rules. That sucks. But I'm like, but you got to know about it like when it happens, and you want to be in first before they change the rules. So so on funded seat, let me show you real quick. Got a lot of so let me load this up really quick. I forgot I need to do you guys don't forget to join the Prop Score Discord. Massive growth already. It's been crazy. Let me go here and load it up on the back end. I need to, the daily loss limit consistency. I don't have eval and funded here. That's the next patch coming out. It's gonna have both of them on there. I think it's the Daily Pro. Let me double check. Yeah, so it's the Daily Pro, the new ones they just came out with. Daily Pro. So you have to do Daily Pro. It's the new ones. They just released them yesterday. Here, like we did the launch with them yesterday. So we launched those products for them here. They did their big old product launch and we showed it off yesterday. The daily itself has daily loss limit, the Daily Pro, the new ones don't. So it's like two different new ones. And they're the two Daily Pros that came out, or the three that came out, 25, 50, and 100K. All three of them are 9.1 in prop score. So it's 40% consistency, no DLL, and funded 1-day payout. They don't have trade debate. The one downside is they don't have trade debate yet. They have Trade C and other rhythmic based platforms. So Trade C apparently people use to say it's pretty good. All right, we'll be spinning that wheel in a minute. Little bull setup still. Res went positive just a second ago. We are at yellow line S&P. I don't know if there's any trade left in this one though. I'm not really sure. Is there any kind of setup at the top here? Do I do yellow line short? S&P yellow. Arb is tanking at yellow. Have some fun on this one. I was waiting for that this morning. All right, type in 5 days, guys. That's the part I don't understand. Like, didn't I already do a 5-day trading competition and win? And I was handed a check the first time? That's the part I don't understand. 5 days, guys, spin the wheel, guys. Ready to get some music going on over here. That's the part I don't understand. How many times I got to step into the same ring and win?
Charts alive.
Does daily loss summit still apply when you have a huge profit buffer already? Which firm are you talking about?
We don't strive. We trade at dawn.
Which firm are you talking about? Every day, bro. Basically, I'm still here. Wait, Adam, where's it at? Oh, wait, isn't that Brad's song? Brad, can you send me a link to that again? I need to download it and save it on my playlist. Ask about funded seat. That's a good question. Most ELLs don't usually go away, and most prop firms that I've traded with. Now, I don't trade a lot of props, so I don't have a lot of experience with the variety of what's out there, but the ones I've traded with, not much. All right, I want you guys to do me a favor. Okay, number one, congratulations, Kuzo. All right. Let's play a game. Number one everything. Let's call it the number one game. I want you guys to do me a favor. The number one game. Type in chat things you guys think I'm number one at. I want like a top 10 list of anybody that streams, anybody that trades, anybody that gurus or furus or whatever. What would you say that you would say I'm number one at? Arc Raiders? Hell yeah. I'm pretty good at Arc Raiders. I'm not gonna lie. Some of you guys are better than me, but I'm pretty good. Number one at Blue Chew Addict. I do have a pretty big Blue Chew addiction. Best trading course. Okay. Cool. Number 4, Pickle. All right, I'm number one dog for sure. Number one scooting. I'm not gonna lie. Eli Trade, type something in chat. I'm so tired of writing. Okay. Number one scooting. Nobody scoots better than me. That's for sure. I'm the ace at scooting. Number one at talking shit. I do have the tongue of a swashbuckling pirate who can toss jabs while fighting. I'd be a pretty good stand-up comedian. I handle hecklers pretty well. Happy Doggy Pickle teaching. Okay. Number one, being calm. Fastest peer in the West. Nobody pees as fast as I do. BJ knows my peeing strategy is on point. I'm number one at master. I do participate in the master level of betting or anything. Number one at chemical engineering. Oh, that's a really nice answer. It probably wasn't number one in chemical engineering, but that's pretty good. Why is there no 150K prop firm account size select from the website? There should be. Hold on. Rising Phoenix Ecom. Remember, the website's still in beta, so we should be able to like go down and look at some stuff. Let's look. Account type. Oh shit. Yeah. So can you do me a favor? Actually, I'll just mark that as a bug. Very good question. We just overlook stuff here and there. All right. 150K needs to be here. Okay. We'll add that to the beta list. Yeah, these are little things we're finding here and there. Good deal. All right, so I took a yellow line short on Lucid just because ARB just tanked a little bit. Upper yellow line and res is negative on both places, so I jumped in on S&P. Just something mild right here, and we'll just see if that turns into anything, more volatility, more whatever. Number one at Nerd Black Belt. There we go. Expensive roses. Very expensive roses. Can we filter by daily pad accounts? Yeah, so Sean, put that, take a little, like a note of what you just said over to the Discord, and there's a wish list. Please type it in and I'll do it. Just type it in so I don't forget. Type it in for me. Number one, Kip Napoleon, Dynamite voice actor.
Napoleon, you're just jealous that I've been talking the line to hot babes all day.
Number one, floor mats for your bedroom door. Those are pretty good. I'm not gonna lie, that was like 6 hours. You know, at the same time I was making that floor mat was the same time Apex was texting me to tell me to take down a poll when 80% of you guys said they were a scam. They're interrupting my creation of Fry, my date with my girlfriend, to be like, you should take that poll down. It's causing sensitivities in the upper ranks. All right. While making that rug, had to step out from the rug making room to not, you know, interrupt the rest of the people. Keep, yeah. Number one free eval giver. There we go. Number one party thrower. Oh yeah, Brad knows. Some of y'all have been to some of our parties. Number one Cowboy Bonanza impression. But you're right. I don't have number one views yet. And you know, we got 3 times bigger this quarter than last quarter. We'll see how that goes. We were getting about 12,000, 13,000 views a day last quarter. Now we're getting 30, 25 to 30. It'd be kind of cool if we got to 50, 60. Hiring 2 more streamers this year and seeing a prop score kicks us up, keeps going. Be kind of nice. So crazy that you guys have been joining the prop score Discord in mass. I love the fact that you guys really enjoy what we've made. We put a lot of effort into it. It means a lot to me. 1824 in a week. That's crazy. All right, so Lucid 7175. I grabbed 3 S&P accounts with negative ARB just in case ARB stays negative and res stays less. This might pull back a little bit. Even yellow line can be somewhat of a resistance reversal for the day. Even in a bull setup with negative, a little bit of negatives here and there, could be something. It's still trying to rally. I'm still not trying to take huge bets to the south side, but it's looking pretty decent right now. At least from here to the open is a good enough scalp worthy of my time. I'm the number 2 wick tickler. Damn it. Give me some time, man. Give me some time to get better at wick tickling. I'll practice. I promise I'll get better. What time slots are the other? India and Europe. So basically after Brad, 2 slots. Bam, bam. One, two, three. That is 4. All right, we'll chill for a little bit and then we'll do a couple more in a minute. That's the 4 of you guys at one. Go over to Prop Score Discord, go to the YouTube channel, drop a screenshot of your YouTube ID, send it over to Slacks, and then we know you're good. Yeah, but the thing is that I'm not going to anybody else's place for a tiny paper trading competition. Doesn't make any sense. You can do it online. What's the fear of doing it online? Doesn't make any sense. Can't just stream it. Leave. What am I gonna leave for? Trade on some tiny laptop, some tiny corner, some tiny room. Got my setup here. I'm good. Do it online. Well, I understand 5 days. 5 days is the easiest way to mask that you don't know what you're doing. 5 days just a coin flip competition at that point. 30 days online. Show the P&L, the whole thing. Back up it goes. I know. Oh, ARB is still kind of pulling a little bit. We'll see. But yeah, there is no. There's definitely no signs of like strong bearishness here. But this is a pivot that, again, could be worth something. But we'll see. Nvidia seems to be moving pretty quickly today. Let's open here. Apple down half gap break. Meta pushing up an IP up to 670 hedge pressure. Microsoft 422.5. Resistance off of MHP hold. ABGO bull long up on the 1A. BLU. Google is kind of flat in BLU with nothing other than support at 330. So like it's like a little mixed bag of stuff. Some things look pretty solid. Like Tesla holding. Tesla had earnings yesterday, so Tesla holding 375. No big deal. Tesla traded down through earnings. It went up, popped, dropped right back, got back on pace. How did switch to Tesla?
LPs rest where the volume hides. Echoes drift through shifting tides. through the storm, the calm I feel. Rocket scooter steers the wheel. Morning bell rings, screens are set. Coffee's gone cold, no breakout yet.
Here you go, guys. Y'all want to have some fun? Here it is. Go have some fun. I'll post something for y'all in chat.
Oh, the 25k static from Phidias is the highest ranked. And if you put all the categories together, all together, it's the highest ranked account period in our beta of all the accounts we have there. Every account in Phidias is like very mid, but the static is such a gem, like hidden amongst all the accounts that are out there. So let me know how you like it. When you trade it, that's pretty good. You can't like endlessly trade them. I think you can only have like so many of those. I'm like spitting eggs everywhere. You know, reply comments can include. Wait, didn't you already hand him a check once? Didn't he already beat you in the last competition? He's got to do this again. I'm just kidding. Look forward to Phidias getting some trade debate. Yeah, that'd be kind of nice. So it's neat the prop scores been able to find certain accounts that are pretty good. What makes it really good is that it's I think it's like 18x ROI in 2 days, and it's static, which I thought was crazy. Payout's pretty small. I think it was like $55 for the account when they had the sale, and then you can make like $1,000 with it or something like that. The 25k flex on my friend features on the site. It should be. It should be there. Hold on, let me look. Oops. Here it is. 25k flex down here. The Farina love song. Forgot about this one. I mean, I appreciate the popularity. It's gotten so weird since we've gotten huge and viral and growth. Like, I mean, I appreciate the popularity and stuff. And now everybody out there is like, you know, watching us whiz past them, and they're just wanting to like size up or whatever. I guess it's flattering, but I just do my own thing. I show big, you know, big transparency, you know, format here, and I just do my own thing. I don't need engagement tricks to grow. That's the best part. I'm not buying views. I'm not buying followers. I'm not, you know, engaged trades. I'm just showing trading, and naturally we just got big. That's something a lot of people can't say they can do. But here's the real size out there. I don't go try to size up to other people. People come size up to me. That's a whole different. That's the fucking score in life. Never see me anybody else's YouTube channels and whatever trying to size up. Ain't nobody I want to size up to. I just stay the course, do my thing. All right, let's see if we get here at 79, 71, 80. I don't know if this is a good short, but Darb was negative. What's the name of this song? It's like Farina, Will You Go Out With Me? Hey, can you guys screenshot the super chat and keep it forever? That way we've got that our stream is now endorsed officially. Hold on, we can start to save these for life. We have official endorsement. Here we go. These guys. Oh shit! I'm at yellow line again. These guys are Lucid 50K Pro. No, sorry, 150K Pro. My bad. Yeah, no, you guys are welcome to have some fun if y'all want. Here's a link. Should I just have some fun and risk it? What do y'all think? Put some more on it? Should I go for it? Should I add more to it? I'm probably gonna stop out of this. I just have not. It's so crazy just to see that in the midst of everything that we're dealing with here with the Iran stuff, there's just been like just still like this ridiculous sensitivity to it. I don't understand. At base, Wall Street's just been starving for a bull catalyst. We wound up the last 3 months without the market going anywhere. But see, ARB negative, res positive. That's the thing though. Res has been really positive. Big ups today. It was always a good attempt for a short, because it could be a big one if it does play out. It's hard to like quantify what the probability of it selling off would be. 50-50 probably. Man, y'all's comments earlier in chat were funny. Number one, actual college degree. Like, I saw some of the stuff y'all said. Number one, hairline. Y'all are brutal. Number one, I saw number one, teeth. Somebody said that. No, thank you. I did have braces when I was a kid. My teeth are pretty white. I saw a number one, Pilates in there. Number one, fastest peer in the West. That was kind of cool. Number one, Tom Ford glasses. That's the only kind.
Futures flashing by, but it's driving us insane. No more teasing with the tops. Give us every layer deep. Rocket scooter, hear our plea. Let the dumbs run free. So here's to the traders in the live stream glow. Man, if you're listening, you know what we wanna know. Show us all the DOMs, yeah. Show us all the DOMs. Rocket scooter revolution. Let the trading bombs. Rockets fast, scooters slow.
That's crazy. I know, like, I think he got, I mean, let's be real. Y'all be nice to him because, you know, I did go to the last time there was a 5-day paper trading competition that I won. I mean, he did make in the top 1,000, guys. Just be nice. Y'all really be nice. He was trying hard. He peaked in the top 1,000 before he blew up. It happens. What happens in 5 days? I was proud. I was very proud. Y'all be nice. You must be getting bored, yeah. I'm serious. My son had a Pokemon birthday party. I'm not kidding. I knew nothing about Pokemon. I wasn't trying. Y'all were telling me about Pokemon. Apparently I learned today he's really into Pokemon. So he said shitty Ferrari. Here's the thing, like I don't know a single thing about this guy. What, does he even have cars? Like I wouldn't even know. Like that's how little I know. I pay no attention to what other people do. It's not my shitty Ferrari, it's my girlfriend's shitty Ferrari. Does he have cars? I don't know. I pay zero attention to any of that. How much is the child support? 0. We don't do child support over here. We just collectively do everything, take care of everything together. We have such a good relationship. Anything he has school, I just pay for it. It's always been that way. His mom's a doctor. We're really cool. We've always been cool. We've both always been well off, and we've both always pulled heavy amount of weight. We have, like, when he was born, we put a whole bunch of money in his college investment account, you know, the one that grows. What's the LDE flag? I'm not really sure, and I think we can squeeze on this one. I'm not feeling downside pressure, volatility building up on this one. I think those yellow line shorts have been the bane of my existence. They usually work very well in most bull markets. You get a good one, at least for a decent scalp, but this market is not finding a downside. I'm attracted to intelligence, I would say so. They call it what, sapiosexual?
Mm. Somebody said, what do you do if your kid is gay? Is that a question for me? What do you mean, what do I do? It's not my life or choice to do anything. That's someone else's life. It's not anything I should do. Your kid is your kid. You should accept and love your kid no matter what their life choices are. Your kid turns out to be a freaking whatever, rob a bank, you're still gonna love your kid. Yeah. That's the part about being a parent. Even if you disagree with something they do or something they're doing or whatever, you know. Life. But if my kid turns out to be a prop trader, I'm gonna have a serious talk with him. That's for sure. Why do you use ARB for your line? So ARB is used everywhere. At any pivot where ARB is negative, it's a good short setup. It usually is, especially if it's negative 40 on NASDAQ and close to negative 10 on S&P. So that's the only reason I'm kind of fidgeting with it here, because ARB went pretty negative, and that's a good time to slam a small short at it. if he's a prop trader, oh, we're gonna have serious talk at this point. Sir, son, that just ain't right. That ain't normal. These 10-point wicks are tilting you? Are you sure they're not tickling you?
Crack up the charts, emojis on screen, hail the laser tag. Keeping the eye queen, if your training sucks, he knows why. You gotta draw more fans to make price fly. You've only got 10 emojis helping the pub. Those are rookie numbers. Get those numbers up. Those are rookie numbers. Get those numbers. Those are rookie numbers. Get those numbers. 100% guaranteed. Only 5 strategies. Creating gains. Non-stop rocket scooter. Emoji screens explode with wish man's galore. Man's secret weapon. Even tech can't ignore. Laser chapter trader. He's got.
All right.
On track. Rock is good or emoji. 100% guaranteed. It's the only thing you need. Just
Man, y'all are sending me some crazy stuff. So homeboy tried to trade a 100K account and blew it up and then made it disappear. Y'all are sending me this stuff, man. I pay no attention to what people are doing. On stream, and it disappeared like a month into it. Man, y'all, this is funny what this industry, what these goobers out there, man. Y'all are sending me some goofy stuff. That's a little attention I pay. This short with negative ARB, it's just until ARB goes positive. Usually it's to open or usually it's half gap. Whatever. Y'all are blowing up my inbox. I don't know why people out there don't want to put real money to it, like real money over. Well, I mean, I know why. The only reason nobody wants you to see like 30 days of their performance is simply because the story falls apart the moment you do. You guys got to see my challenge account, you know, for freaking 5 months, whatever it was, 4 months. You know, nobody's going to string together 3, 4, 5 months of their trading. Everybody's story falls apart. Their engagement will plummet to 0 when people see the real stats. Yeah. It's kind of comical that the benchmark is a 5-day paper trading, prop trading, whatever it is. It's a good song. I like the song. Is this yours, Rogue? Hell yeah. Maybe it's different this time. It's very possible with Rez kind of pulling back. It's kind of possible. I'm trying to take the risk here. Should I add to it? Let's go to 4. Not a terrible idea, but we'll see. All right, guys, we got some more giveaways to do. I forgot to do the ones yesterday. I don't know if Brad gave them away at the end of the day. I had such a crazy day yesterday. I got so overwhelmingly busy with stuff. All right, ETF, type it in. New Discord song? Ooh, what do you got? All right, I went ahead and added 4 here. It could be a decent setup for a reversal play off a yellow. Usually when you get this, it's kind of hard to gauge where you go. Usually you trade to next support, which seems to be where open and down, like essentially if rest stays negative, then support goes all the way down to open. 36 on 79 could be a 40 point fall. It's pretty good. Down the 30s. It's about a 10k run. Oh, these Lucid accounts have 40% consistency, huh? And the problem is the shitty thing is that if you get a big play, then it's so hard to get that payout with DLL because it's hard to make a big balance 3 days in a row. 3 days of perfect trading with DLL is really hard. That's the one thing I notice about the pros I don't like. I might go with the flexes. You know what I'm saying? Because if you happen to accidentally make $5,000, then you got to make was it like 12? What's 4? Wait, 1.25, 12 and a half. So you make $5,000, you need to make 12 and a half in 2 more days at 2,700 consistency, which actually isn't so bad. But DLL will limit your ability to scale. So if you actually accidentally get a big windfall, it might be hard to get 2 or 3 more days of that size with DLL, lock you into your inability to scale that heavily. So rest just went negative. That's good. Lucid Flex, your favorite? Yeah, I grabbed some Lucid Flex evals. Matter of fact, I forgot to there we go. Now they popped up. I bought some. I haven't traded them yet though. Maybe I could try this trade in a couple of those.
Don't care if this pocket fails, my puts prevail. If hedge pressure breaks, I'm off that rail. Whatever happens, I don't lose sight. I'm covered deep, my risk game's tight. Monthly maps forecasting, I align. I stay calm, I'm never behind. Rest can slip, the winds can wail. I hedge with truth and my puts prevail.
All right, typing ETF, guys, do a little spinny wheel in a second here. Do me a favor and visit our Discord really quick. Link, it's pinned. I thought I pinned it. Yeah. If you go down and you hit the like button, oh wait, hold on. Hit the like button. The more likes, the more games join Discord. Enter. Okay. Link is posted there and also in the description of the video. Join our Prop Score Discord. It's the first free Discord we pretty much ever really had. Rock Scooter's always been like for members only. The Prop Score is for prop traders to hang out, to talk, to learn about props, to learn everything Prop Score related, how to use the site, get all the deals, all the giveaways, tons of stuff. We have 1,800 people join that thing in the first week we opened it. Insane. I guess that 1820. Wait, hold on. 1824, right? Hold on. That was this morning, 1824. Heck yeah. That's crazy, man. Our team has put together such a huge thing. Twitter accounts bustling. Man, it's crazy.
I got my puts, baby, yeah. Stacked them deep while you were dreaming. I got my puts, baby, yeah.
1,339 people on Twitter in the first week. You know how long it took me to get 1,000 people on Twitter? It took like 3 years, I feel like. So I really appreciate you guys supporting us, getting us a little bit of growth there. All right. 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. This is for ETF 10K Fast Track. Today's giveaways are sponsored by our sponsors, ETF, Funded Seat, My Funded Futures, Earn to Trade. Yeah, Earn to Trade again. Oh, nice. They're making a resurgence earn a trade. They were one of the first prop firms out there. They had a live eval a live program before SimFunded was a thing, and now they're pushing to like re-emerging with some SimFunded accounts. So yeah, very interesting coming. Yeah, it's people are trying it out right now. So when you guys use it, go leave a review. Let me know what you think. THX 111 rigged. So I grabbed this short with those Lucid Flex accounts that I had too. I just grabbed some evals with that too, just to try it out. Congratulations, my man. We got to burn through these because we're running out of time. Gives us funded seat legacy. I think they're doing some funded seat giveaways in our Discord today. So I took this short in pretty much all my accounts, which is good. Let's see what happens with it. Lucid Flex. I got 50Ks. I should have got bigger ones. 50Ks. I got to make 3,000 in 2 days with a $2,000 drawdown to $1,500 a day. If I hit 1,500, it'll auto stop. Cool beans. So my my Lucid accounts just all maxed out on profit. That's good. This is from this morning. That's the one that busted. Actually, it busted. It didn't hit DLL. It felt I had enough profit in that, but then it went back down to starting balance. So these are the new Lucid Flex I just added today, and then this is the pro account right there. So we'll see how that works out. What's Arb doing? Arb's still negative? Ooh, okay. Type it in the chat, guys. Type it in. Ooh, I feel dizzy. Dude, something's going on up here last night and today. I feel weird. Like my headspace feels weird. I've been having like dizzy spells and stuff. Is consistency rule the percentage amount on each trade for the day? No, it's for the total day. So it becomes like the total for the day. So it's like your day's profit can't be any more than X% of the total you gained. Winner takes all Pokemon cards. Seriously, man. My kid could use some more Pokemon. He's like, this year, that's all he wanted. He's like, I want Pokemon cards. I was like, all right. Stupid me walks up to Target. Never bought a single Pokemon card in my life. I mean, yeah, I never watched a cartoon or anything. It's not like I wouldn't have liked it. It just, I was an adult when that came out. So I go to Target. I'm like, can I get some Pokemon cards? And the lady was like, and I was like, what? She's like, really? I'm like, what do you mean, really? He's like, oh, we're sold out. Everyone's sold out, like everywhere. I was like, oh, really? Like, yeah, people wait in line. Congratulations, Mateo. People wait in line. When the boxes come out, then they get as much as they can buy, and then they buy them and flip them online. Damn, I was like, all right. So I had to order online. So I was like, all right, let me get him a box, like, because I was like, what do you want? He's like, I just want some Pokemon cards. Well, how many? Just enough, like, just whatever. I'm like, okay. So I got him a box that has like 36 packs in it, and it was like 3 times as much as you would as it's listed on online MSRP. Maybe that's why adults are doing it. Flipping it for monies. Grown men fist fighting programs. Dude, I saw videos of that. That was crazy. New song. Oh yeah. Where's it at? Hold on. Hey, you gotta put it in the other song submission channel. Hold on, let me find it. All right, hold on. I did get Kyle. All right, my fun and features. That was it. 50K rapping. Congratulations. All right, we got 2 more of these to do. Now we're gonna have a pretty much giveaway, right? All right. Everybody type in CRC in chat. That's our new giveaway. Everybody got donated 75 cents in Costa Rican colones today. Which is awesome. I should buy my child 1/20th of a Pokemon card with it. That box of cards, like 400 something bucks. Normally it should be like 100 bucks. 150, I don't know. So it's still in the mail. We wait for it every day. Took that loss, I ain't react. Cut it quick, I get it back. No revenge, I don't do that. Stay on plan, I follow that. Late night chart, screen glow blue. That's 110 US dollars. Oh, I didn't see how much it was. I was just goofing around. Still locked in. Same chart, same vision. No rush, no feeling. Just numbers, just digits. Non-profit, I don't feel nothing. Yeah. Green lights flash, still feel nothing. Click that close, I'm still not rushing. Made that play, it's still not something. Yeah. Non-profit, I don't feel nothing. Stack it up, it's still. This is for an earn to trade TCP 25K account. This next one will be for a 50K account. Y'all let us know, like all these firms that come out with new products and stuff, we're giving them away. The goal is you guys use them to go to PropScore and leave a review. Let us know if you like it or hate it. Be real. We want to collect as much info as we can and populate the site out. Let me double check. ARB is still negative. Good. I'm hanging on. Hanging on like a champ. Looks like all of those flex accounts hit max profit for the day, so that's good. That one pro didn't make it though. So apparently, because it's end of the day drawdown. So once I made as much as I did, the end of the day drawdown went back to the starting point, and then I didn't have enough buffer. So I had the DLL day, and then I lost like $1,000 and busted that one. That's my bad for jumping in too big of a position because I somehow didn't read. I like that song, Kyle. It's really good. I didn't read that there was DLL on the funded side. Donna H, G9P.
Artificial saviors on every screen, talking heads selling fantasy. Markets fly, nothing makes sense. Just keep buying, don't ask questions. What footage on a silent loop? Scroll right past it, what's the use? Rent is up, can't
Congratulations, Donna.
breathe, but the chart says prosperity. Say it's fine, yeah, all of it. Bad news gone in half a tick. Don't look down, don't look away. Green means everything's okay. Nasdaq to 100K. Say it loud, just celebrate. World's on fire, it's all okay. If it's green, we're safe today. Nasdaq to 100K. Shut it out, don't hesitate. Red flags waving in your face, don't cheer. Snowmen glued to screens, oceans rise and cities choke. Line goes up, that's all that matters. Hide the cracks, don't let it show. Zoom it out, we'll never know. Nothing breaks if no one sees. Sell the lie, repeat, repeat. NASDAQ to 100K. Say it loud, just celebrate. World's on fire, it's all okay. If it's green, we're safe today. NASDAQ to 100K. Shut it out, don't hesitate.
All right. Let's spin it one more time.
Sirens ringing, turn it down. Numbers up, so who cares now? If it falls, we call it fake. If it
Arb is still negative. That's pretty decent. Negative res, negative arb is not that bad of a play. Like I said, I'm holding out for more. As I stop out and lose, I'll step out and lose. But I think it's pretty prime to set up for a gap fill play. That'll drop us another 25 points here. Rickest Thomas 6 or Rick St. Thomas. Excellent, Don. Oh, the person that claimed the prize. Whale. Whale. God, if only I was #1 views, that would be so much better. I've got 75 #1s apparently, according to you guys. #1 teeth, #1 hairline, #1 good-looking girlfriend. I saw that too. That was actually kind of nice. Doc would like to see that. #1, I saw #1 P&L for the year. I saw #1 chemical engineer. It said #1 GPA. #1 scoot. That's kind of nice. Last thing on my list, #1 views, and I've conquered the world. #1 everything. Gabe, wake up.
Wake up, Gabe.
Somebody said #1 mint green Ferrari. That was kind of cool. It's actually not really, there's not really many that are that color. You know what? It's actually called the least cool sounding name in the world. The actual Ferrari color is pale green, of all things. It's not a cool name like Mint Madness or something. You know, it's pale green. That's what it is. But, you know, since Ferraris are all made to order, there's only one of it on the planet, which is kind of nice. One of one. You said #1 Aston Martin Vantage. Oh, DB12. Step. I got the back seats on that one. What's a CRC for? I don't know. Some streamer donated like 50 cents worth of Costa Rican money to us this morning. Discord DM Kyle, what you got, bud? Kyle, can you kick those over to Neon or Brad? Actually, hold on, wait. Oh, you know, I can do that really quick. Actually, I'll do it. No, I'm shooting right now.
Hold on. Thanks for clipping that for me. Hold on. Yeah, I can do that. My bad. That's only 2 things. We have time. I'll tell you, of every car I've ever owned in my entire life, the interior, like when you go on the inside of a car and you're like, oh my God, the inside of this car is just fantastic. Every car I've ever had, I would say the coolest interior of just like luxury, just swag has been the Aston, hands down. I've never seen like any car I've ever had has a cooler interior. When I was my first car out of college, it was like Infiniti G35, had a pretty cool interior. Now I think that was probably one of the top interiors I had until I got the new one. The interior of Aston is just so cool looking. When you get into it, you feel like, okay, this is pretty dope. Like when you get into the Ferrari, it's like, okay, this is a fun toy. The interior is like a toy. There's colorful buttons everywhere. It's almost like a video game. It's like you're playing Mario Kart at the arcade. You're sitting there and there's like flashing red lights and everything's bleep, 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 little dials here. There's all these paddle, everything's on the steering wheel, so you can paddle shift everything. Shift the car, windshield wipers a tap here, volume's a tap here, there's bar. So everything's designed for you to control from the steering wheel. It's pretty cool. So it's almost like playing a French horn, you know, like a French horn has like all these valves and shit where your hand wraps around, every finger can touch a different button. There's like a different button for everything. It's kind of neat. So race car mentality. Teach like a DJ. All right, cool deal. Okay, so we're gonna take a little bit of a break from the giveaway for a second. We have 2 more to give away in a little bit. Apparently, I heard Prop Shop Trader. We got a lot, man. Everybody's throwing love to Prop Score at the launch. We'll do a little Prop Shop Trader giveaway in like the last 15 minutes I got. So we'll do that. Now, I don't know much about Prop Shop. Their plans, other than they had come around, they changed everything. And then they're reverting back to, they went for like I think they changed their plans to like, they got out of sim funded and now they're going back, something like that. I don't know, but this is what I'm saying. With the free accounts, you guys go check it out. Let us know what you like them. Give everybody a fair shot, you know, from the start. We're not making any bias, anything on Prop Score. It's just all math based. And so, yeah, check it out. If it's good, it's good. If it's bad, it's bad. Anything out there, we want to see, you know, what they're like, and you guys let us know. I have no experience with a lot of them. You never win anything, Farkas. You win my heart every day, bro. You know you do. Am I vetting these firms? Oh, here's the thing. I'm not promoting these firms. I'm just handing out the accounts. You guys get them and play with them. It's free. It's no loss to you, and you guys let us know. With vetting, here's the problem. Vetting is a degree of subjectivity. It means that I have to design a standard to vet firms, and therefore I get to choose with godlike powers who I allow visibility and who I don't. It goes against the whole ethos of what Prop Score is about. It's to let you guys vet. Right? So the idea is your experience and your reviews will provide the vetting in the review section of the site. We, as a presenter, must present everybody equally and give them a fair shot. Now, don't mistake us giving away any accounts as saying, buy these accounts, guys. It's different. If I've traded something I've liked, and I'll vet it and say, yeah, Lucid's great, I like it. Or always qualify like I have no experience with it or whatever. But the free account is for you guys to try it out. And if you have a horrible experience, it was free, right? And so go in there, take a look, report. Firms can sometimes have a rocky start and get better. You know, I've started so many businesses in my life. I understand rocky starts, right? So everybody has a chance to rebuild or redeem or remake and get improve better. I mean, I hear Scott Trieste's new thing, the prop pit, you know, the guy that was from Fast Track. Maybe Fast Track just had a bad design, and you can't fault somebody's design if it doesn't work. Part of business is failed designs. Well, the new firm I hear has got some great ideas. There are people that are already saying it looks pretty good. So maybe he learned his lesson, did something better. Who knows? Point is that we give it a fair shot. You guys take the free account, but we say that after you use it, give us a review. Let us know. No more CRC. We're going to be doing a...
everyone type Monopoly in chat for these prop shop accounts coming up. It's coming up $3,000 in this Lucid funded pro account on the day, which is good. This account's 5,000 profit just in the last 3 days, which means I do qualify for a payout in this one as long as I don't bust consistency, which it might. Well, hold on, no, I got 3,000 the first day and a loss yesterday. I might have to trade one more day to get the payout. This is half gap. ARB is kind of going to positive. The smart thing would be to do is take a little bit of profit here, even lock it in. 4,000 is not too bad. Kind of like what I got. It's kind of neat. This is a Lucid account 00002. So already going to get a payout in the second Lucid account I ever bought. Kind of nice. It's kind of fun. So lock that in. Should I hold for more or what? You know, like I said, yeah, so every firm that's out there, we're going to give visibility to on an equal playing field in whatever case. And the goal is the community is to have your own voice, as every site out there is a pay for play sort of thing. It's like the influencer or the affiliate or the guru tells you what is good because who pays them the most money. I mean, I get it. You know, I've been offered, you know, 5 and 6 figure checks a month to promote stuff. It's very easy to just fall into that and then just say, this is the best, this is the best, this is the best. And then you guys get fair. So you guys are the vetting authorities on Prop Score. You go there, you leave the honest review, and that becomes the community's perception, not ours. So even though it kind of sucks from a, you know, standpoint, don't think of us as like salespeople of these things. Think of us as like a museum for these things. As a museum, we just put everything on display. And if something sucks, you know, you scribble on that painting with a marker like this sucks, right? And so we're not endorsing through Prop Score any particular firm over any other firm, I guess you would say. Should I hold for more? Should I take the profit? I'm cool with that. This is a pretty good scalp. That was for, you know, 20 points. I could hold for more. I don't know. I'm so scared of shorting this damn market, though. You guys pick what you think is art and pick what you think is trash. You know, I teach this thing, right? The law of large numbers states over infinite iterations of time, the mean is realized in a data set. It means the average plays out. Whatever the odds are, they play out. So I always, in my boot camp, I teach you, if you want to ever prove the law of large numbers, it means that if you were to play LeBron one-on-one in basketball, you get your ass kicked 999 times out of 1,000. But if you ever wanted to beat LeBron and you can design the game yourself and say, my court, my rules, I get the ball first, you stand 10 feet away, and we play first 1 to 10 baskets, and then we never play again. And then you throw the ball, you got a Hail Mary shot of making it, you happen to make it, you can quit and run home and say, I beat LeBron at basketball. But yeah, you beat LeBron at basketball. You beat LeBron, your own version of basketball, in your own court, in your own game, your own whatever. Play him 999 other times in a regular game, you'll get your ass kicked when the odds stack up. 5-day trading competition is small data set math to skew the results more towards a coin flip rather than skew the results towards reality, which is the mean of the data set, which is the average that states. In any 30-day trading competition, I will whip the ass of any 3 influencers taped to fucking together at the leg. You know, law of large numbers, play this game out the right way. 5 days turns into a I get the ball first, my court sort of thing. Ain't a real game. Anyone that believes that is absolutely retarded at math. And Trump is president, so we can say that word again. Any person that went to middle school statistics understands data like that. 5-day trading competition is let's turn this into a coin flip. Then we can laugh at the loser. Stupid odds. Stupid game. Stupid game. 30 days. Then you get LeBron up there, slam dunking on you every other second. Extrapolate beyond 5 trades and into the realm of 1,000 trades. I don't think people are typing so fast. They're just Control Z, Control V.
I shake off sleep, clear out my head. No chasing tails, no breaking rules. Just calm and clean with Scooter's tools. Hedgeline glows like morning sun.
So I close out on my shorts right now. I think I got a pretty good run on that. Half gap is still resistance at both places. There is still possibility to fill the gap. No long setup here with negative res, but ARB started going up and res peaked towards positive, so I decided to take profit. Congratulations, Illusoit. Ilyasui. I know I'm saying that so bad. Got one more to give away. These are for some prop shop accounts to give a shot to check them out. $60% off plus buy one get one. They've kind of remade all their plans. Automatic payouts, no evaluation phase. Start on the payout accounts from day one. Oh, that's right. That's right. Okay, I remember them saying this. So you're starting on the payout account from day one. You're not proving yourself first. You're just trying to get paid. No payout windows, no consistency rules, fast payouts. Pretty much that's it. I mean, the new design of the prop shop stuff sounds pretty good. I've never done it. It's not an endorsement or anything, so I don't know. But they just, you know, when prop score is getting huge, every prop firm out there is excited to see finally like a level playing field that's not pay for play. So we'll feature everything. You guys jump in, check it out, tell us what you think. Give us some reviews on the website. Jesus. All right, all the winners today. Am I supposed to give away a bunch of boot camps, right? I don't know how many Puerto Rican dollars Pat came in and threw at us, but let's just donate, I don't know, for funsies. Type in 25 boot camp. For funsies, I'll match his 95-cent donation with $250 of my own. 25 boot camps, let's go. Type in 25 boot camp. I think it'd be a better, I don't know what the joke is about paying me. Oh, it's not Puerto Rican, Costa Rican, sorry. Costa Rican dollars. I don't know what the joke is about Costa Rica. I don't know why he switches currency, who knows. But couldn't we like pay each other in Iranian, is it reals? That's the currency there. That'd be kind of funny. Puerto Rican dollars. Isn't Puerto Rican US dollars? It sounded weird coming out of my mouth. Puerto Rican dollars I think are US dollars. Costa Rican dollars. A 100,000 Costa Rican. Costa Rican. I forgot what it. I already forgot what it stood for. My brain isn't braining today. Iran's currency is oil. Oh, Cologne. Thank you. That's what it is. Thank you. Colones for Costa Rican. So my uncle used to live there in Costa Rica, and he used to surf what is called Witches Rock. Is what I just remember from being a kid. It's part of it's where they filmed Jurassic Park. So this is the most beautiful beaches he's ever been to, and he lived there for a while because he loved it so much. It's like a surfer's paradise, Costa Rica. I've never been. You went to school there? Did you like it? Sure, it was just like mind-blowingly beautiful. I guess surfer's paradise, you know? Like... All right. We get a little giveaway real quick. Is it possible for the market to bounce between yellow lines? It is. Yeah. All right. All right. Choose 25 people from this list. Fat GPT, Future Trades, Pickle Juice, Badgers, Mikey Uchin, Paul Ramirez, Manasi, what's he for? Prod Sunswift, Bill Jeff, Mario Trades, THF, Simpa Projects, LSG 2012, Goya Bean, Viral 9640, X7 Edits, Teblog 6234, Mercules, cool name, Nico, Liam Alex Hill, Ryan North, Gambler 777, Angel, Amag, Always Learning X, Rajesh 404K. Y'all are the winners of free bootcamp. So what you're all gonna do, all the winners today, you go over to the YouTube, go over to the channel in our Discord for Prop Score. In that channel, there will be or in that Discord, there's a channel called YouTube. In the YouTube channel, contact an admin named Slacks, screenshot of your YouTube ID. Please follow the Twitter account. You must follow the Twitter account to claim your prize. We're gonna check. Here's the link for that. I'm gonna ask you to show that you follow. Give it an old follow there, because we're doing our giveaways in like 5 different places. So I got all that short there pretty good. Propeller hat. Oh my god. I need to find a good propeller hat. All right, every time I respond to you, I'm sending a propeller hat thing. Oh, that's funny. Yeah. Too bad you don't use Twitter. Well, make a Twitter account, follow it, then never use Twitter after that. You can still resume never using Twitter. What's this for again? So our prop score is our new website that we came out with. Prop score is the world's first algorithmic prop rating agency based on algorithmic scoring, just like your credit score. Prop worthiness is based on all the data that goes in, and a prop firm gets a credit score based on how good the accounts are. That's it. Everybody's scored equally just for like credit worthiness. So good credit score, you get the loan. Bad credit score, they tell you to take a hike. So over here, you can go to look at every single firm and you can put in your own trading stats, and it's going to rank them based on how you trade. Whether you fail a lot, don't fail a lot, high win rate, high risk reward ratio, whatever you trade, it's going to make certain accounts better or worse for you, and it's going to rank them all equally up and down. Currently in the beta, we're programming in firms as quick as we can. By the time we launch on May the 4th, we should have a lot more firms programmed in here. So for the win, you need to join the Prop Score Discord. It's pinned in the chat, and it's like the description below the video. And then head on over there, have some fun. Prop Score is a huge community already, like massive Discord. And there's all kind of events and cool stuff going on. We got 3 streamers that stream all day. We're about to have 5. It works kind of like side by side with the Rockseater community, which is another massive Discord. But head on over there, join it up, make yourself at home. There's a million things to do over there. I'll give you guys a quick tour while we're chilling. We got about 10 more minutes here. So prop score over here. If you look, you got you can get anything, general questions, tech support. Somebody says report some kind of like, oh yeah, reporting like fake accounts and stuff. That's cool. They got all these cool things you can do in here. Any new deals going on right now? We post all the best new deals we got coming through. Community wish list. You guys can post your wish list stuff. Any bug reports you see in the beta, you can publish that there. Then of course, like daily giveaways, all the YouTube winners, you guys come down here and do this stuff. Post a screenshot of a review that you've done. Here's all the giveaway winners. We do all kinds of drawings in the Discord. General chat, trading chat. I mean, it's just like massive, ton of people here. Post your P&L, stuff like that. You want to talk about prop firms? Any specific prop firm has its own channel. If you guys trading specific prop, you can go in there and talk. Let's pull one at random. Let's take profit. Talk about different things related to each prop firm. Pretty cool. Song submissions for our song submission game. If you do write a song with AI, we're gonna have a big contest in May around the same time. Probably we'll start on May the 1st, going through the songs. Winners get all kind of prizes. Submit a song. How did I choose people to stream for me? Very, very, very meticulously. Last time we had this audition that took like 3 months, and people sent videos, and when we call for it, send a video. We're not going to do it right now. But soon, like this summer. The goal is this summer. Yeah. I just got a notification on my phone. Ilyaso followed on Instagram. Our winner we just had. I was like, that name looked familiar. How much to join Discord? Our Discord is free. It's a huge Discord, supports our stream community, and it's free. There's no paying. Charging for Discord is what broke gurus do. Free Discord. All right, guys, good time, good stream. Not such a bad day. This was the haul. One account, the Lucid account number 1, you know, it busted. I made 5,000, then I lost 2 in a row, and the end of the day drawdown, there was no buffer in it. It was right at the flat starting point. Second account, up 4,200 bucks. So like on Monday, I was up 8,800 bucks, and now I'm only up 4,200. And these are 5 brand new. I decided to do some flex evals for the first time, so this looks pretty good. 1,500 on these guys. 3,000 profit, 2,000 just to try it out. Let's see if I like it. Am I still talking? No, I'm miming. All right, I gotta go, guys. I love y'all. Don't miss me too much, Farkas. Bro, I love the post you made today. It was really kick-ass. In your own element, man. How liberating to like be outside all the time, man. I feel like in my... Wait, you're banned from Discord? There's no way, Papa Fark. Papa Les. Papa Les, no way you're banned on Discord. You gotta talk about Farina. Farina's got bigger powers than I do in Discord. She's Discord mama. You can't log in? Oh, that's not a us problem. That's a Discord thing. You gotta wait, if you can't log in on Discord in general. Trying to browser? Gotta get Papa Les in. Free Papa Les. All right, guys, we'll see you in a little bit. I got it on my funded TV. The link will be posted in just a second here. I'm on my funded TV for 1 hour. Come back here and I'll be streaming for the afternoon. But in general, what is a browser? He's the final boss in Super Mario Brothers. Browser, the king of Koopas. You go to the Google at the top of the Goozle. Go to thegoozle.com. There was one time y'all went on a family trip and my uncle started saying the Google just to be funny, and the whole weekend we were memeing each other, calling it something. Do you have the cell phone? You guys, anybody want to go smoke the marijuana? Anybody want to get on the Google? It was very, very, very dad joke themed weekend. Netscape, you bought that IPO? Hell yeah. Just made you some money back then. How many of the drugs have you done? You guys wouldn't do the drugs. Oh, it's so funny. Hope you sold it back in the day. Sold that Netscape after that IPO. I don't know what the stock price of Netscape is right now, but it's probably making a comeback at some point. You gave them to your ex-wife. Bro, Parkins, if you did stand-up comedy, I would literally buy tickets. I won't fly to Florida for a 5-day paper trading contest, but I'd fly to wherever you are to hear